Okay, so I want to, hello, Algebra 1 students, I want to clarify something, not really a clarification perhaps as much as a warning, a word of warning, and a suggestion as to how to read a certain expression to avoid confusion. Let's start with the, the simplest, one of the simplest expressions possible, a single variable, a. A could be any number. That's the beauty of a variable. That's the beauty of algebra uses variables to make generalizations, and so A could be any number. Now, uh, A, what, so A can be any number. Now, to consider this expression, we tend to read that, and we're not wrong when we do. We tend to read that. I'm sure you're thinking negative A, but the danger that poses is it makes you think that this expression, negative a, it makes you think it's a negative number. But it's not necessarily. Let me show you what I mean. Suppose a itself is a negative number, like negative 3. Then this expression, which we often read as negative a, is this. See, this negative here is this negative here. And the a is the negative 3. So actually, we should read this as, it would be better if we read this as the opposite of A. The opposite of A. Because if A is negative, its opposite is going to be positive. Okay, so um, the, the lesson here is you're better off reading this expression, not reading it negative A. You're better off reading it as the opposite of A because that will prevent you from assuming that the expression has a negative value. In fact, so we could say if A itself is a negative number, less than 0, then the opposite of A is greater than 0. See, if you think about it, it sounds kind of silly to say negative A is greater than 0 because it makes it sound, but anyway, so read it as the opposite of A. I hope that helps.